Welcome back, Excel Daily Dose Basic Functions, Day 17, Right Function. Myself Dayanand with the Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Right function just does exactly opposite to left function, where left truncates from the left side, but right truncates from the right side. Nothing but it extracts the number of characters you say from the text from the right hand side. Okay, let me demonstrate this for you. So, right. And I'm referring to the same cell E2 and say I need 3 characters from the right side. And there we go. This is from the right 1, 2, 3. Great. So the first argument is the text where you want to extract the number of characters, and the second one is the number of characters. Right? That's it on right. So I'm coming to the point, where do I use this kind of functions? Say for example, we have a list of card numbers and I need only the last 4 digits of the card number, and that we can truncate with the help of this. Yep, that's it for today, the right function. So we'll put our best effort to make it a short video and short explanation to the point. All right. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for listening and happy learning. Myself Dayanand with Learn and Earn channel.